So I have made 70 chains here for the tree trunk, and I will just measure the size. So you can see it's almost reaching the branches. Now from here I will make further smaller branches. These are 70 chains with a 4 mm hook. Now from here onwards I will make 10 more chains. And 20. Now I will slip stitch back in 10 stitches. From the second chain, I will first slip stitch in the second chain from hook, and I will stitch my way, and I will keep making slip stitches in 10 stitches. Ten. And I'm now going to make another chain 8. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll make 6 more chains. I'll make 16 more chains. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I will again slip stitch back in 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will make few more stitches. This depends on how you want to place your branches, because I will show you how it will look like. You're supposed to make enough chains so that you can make branches to place your leaves. Now this branch will face downwards, this will face upwards. Now I will make few more chains over here, and then again I will make another 10 chains for the slip stitch. Now I will slip stitch 7 stitches. I will make slip stitches in the 7 stitches, because now we are reaching the end of the tree. Now this 7, and now I will chain 7 stitches again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now again 7 stitches for the slip stitch. Now this is the gap between the branches. Now 7 stitches for the slip stitch. 1, 2 for the branch. This is a total of 14 stitches, and I will slip stitch in 7 stitches. We need to check the size again. Okay, so now we're reaching the end of the tree, so I will just make one more small branch here. So I'll only make 7 stitches and then slip stitch. I've turned my work here. 7. So this is the end. Now I will keep making slip stitches until I reach this point, and then I will be back. I have made slip stitches until I reach the end of the branch, and now this part is the tree trunk, so I will start making a different pattern here. So first I will make here a single crochet, then a half double, three double crochets, 2, 3, and now I will keep making treble crochets in all these rest of the stitches. Let's check once again. Yes, I will be making bigger stitches here to fill the part of the tree trunk. Yarn over thrice and then make a double treble crochet. Again, I will make yarn over thrice and then insert the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2 again pull through 2, and again pull through. You have to pull through 4 times. Again, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop. Now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. Now I will pull through 2 at a time, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and then 4th time. So I will keep making double treble crochets until I reach the end of my chain. Now in these last few stitches, I have been yarning over 4 times because I needed bigger stitches on this part of the tree. Now that I've reached this end of the tree, I'll slowly reduce the stitch height. So I will make one more stitch with 4 times. So I'll make another stitch to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have 5 loops on the hook, and I will insert my hook in the chain and pull through 2, again pull through 2, pull through 2 again, and one last time. So we pull through 5 times. Now in the next stitch, because I'm reaching the end, these are almost 10 to 12 stitches. I'll first yarn over 3 times. And pull through. Now I will yarn over again 3 times. Now I will yarn over 2 times, which is a treble crochet. Again, yarn over 2 times. And I will now make double crochets until I reach the third last stitch. So now this is the third last stitch. Now I will make single crochet here. I will make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And in this last stitch here, I will make a slip stitch. I will chain 1 and then cut off. I will just tie these 2 ends together. So this is how it will look like. I'm now going to stick it in this place.